Earth, our incredible blue planet, has a history stretching back over 4.6 billion years, but how do we understand something so vast? Scientists use a timeline called the Geological Timescale, a tool that divides Earth's history into smaller, understandable parts based on major events like mass extinctions, climate shifts, and the rise of life. So let's travel through time, from the birth of Earth to the age of humans. Earth began as a molten ball of rock and metal. This was the Hadean Eon, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. The planet was unstable, bombarded by asteroids and boiling with volcanic activity. During this time the moon was formed, likely from a massive impact between Earth and a Mars-sized body called Theia. As Earth cooled, oceans began to form. In the warm, shallow waters, life began. The first life forms were tiny, single-celled prokaryotes like bacteria. Some of these, called cyanobacteria, began using sunlight to create energy, a process called photosynthesis. This started releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, changing Earth forever. This is the era of change. As oxygen built up in the atmosphere, it triggered a major event called the Great Oxygenation Event, killing many ancient microbes that couldn't survive in oxygen. New life forms adapted, and for the first time complex, multicellular organisms evolved. Earth also experienced its first major ice ages, global glaciations known as Snowball Earth. The Phanerozoic is where things get really exciting. It's divided into three major eras: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. This is when most of the life we know today evolved. Known as the era of ancient life, the Paleozoic began with the Cambrian Explosion, a sudden burst of life where nearly all major animal groups appeared. Fish evolved, then amphibians, and later reptiles. Plants began colonizing land, and forests grew. The era ended with the Permian-Triassic extinction, the biggest extinction event in Earth's history, wiping out over 90% of species. Welcome to the age of dinosaurs. In the Mesozoic, reptiles ruled the Earth. This era saw the rise of dinosaurs, flying reptiles, and early mammals. Pangaea, the supercontinent, began breaking apart. At the end of this era, a massive asteroid struck near today's Yucatan Peninsula, causing the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, wiping out the dinosaurs, except for one group, the birds. The Cenozoic is the age of mammals. With dinosaurs gone, mammals grew in size and diversity. Grasslands spread, primates evolved, and eventually, about 2.5 million years ago, early humans appeared. Modern humans, Homo sapiens, emerged around 300,000 years ago. Everything we call human history, from the invention of fire to ancient civilizations to today's technology, fits into the final blink of the geological eye. It's not even a full second on Earth's 24-hour clock. Our planet has seen fiery beginnings, icy oceans, massive creatures, and tiny microbes. It's a story written in rocks, fossils, and time itself. And now, we are a part of it. Understanding Earth's deep history helps us protect its future. Want more science stories like this? Subscribe and hit the bell for your next journey through time.